Hello students, I'm here to teach you about your chapter number 6 social science class 10th, that is manufacturing industry. As you know that industries play a very important role in our daily life routine. From needle to ship, everything is manufactured in industries, and that play a very important role in our life. From since beginning we start our life, get up from bed and till evening go to bed, everything we use in our daily life that is manufactured in the industries, and in this way manufacturing play very important role in our life. So first of all, I would like to tell you about what we are going to study in this chapter, that is manufacturing industries. And don't get surprised that that fifth chapter is not there in your syllabus this time, that is mineral and resource, but map items would be there, that I'll dictate you afterwards. Whole map syllabus one day I'll put my video regarding that. And in this chapter, that is the first part is introduction, and in second part we'll study about importance of the manufacturing, and in third part we'll see the contribution of agriculture as well as the industry to the GDP of that country. And then we'll study in detail the classification of the industries. And first I would like to explain about that your this one production manufacturing, and say different uses of the manufacturing. Production of goods in a large quantity by processing raw material to more valuable production is called manufacturing. Suppose here you may take example of sugar as well as that cotton. They are produced in the agricultural sector in their raw form, but afterward they are taken to their different places for manufacturing. For sugar cane, their its juice is taken, and after taking that juice we produce good jaggery and sugar from it, and in the industry. And this one cotton also there, that from cotton we produce thread, and after thread there is cloth garments and intermediate goods like wheat also. From wheat we make flour. Flour is a intermediate good. In this way the production of large quantity, large goods for its final production, final produce, final goods and commodities, that takes place in the sector of manufacturing, that is secondary sector of our economy. Then second point is manufacturing industry fall in secondary sector. For example, paper from wood, sugar from this that I told you. And in this way this manufacturing play very important role in our daily life. I have tried to show you it in your this diagram also, like uh, here I would like to tell you about this manufacturing of the industries. Manufacturing of the industries play very important role. Very first is a reduction of poverty. Okay, it help in producing agricultural goods, from that is the backbone of our economy. It reduces the heavy we can say load of the people from agricultural income to the industry sectors. It high helps in removal of unemployment and poverty from rural sectors. Then it gives very focus at the bringing down the regional differences by establishing industries in the backward areas. Very important for a country like India, that industries that are being set up in backward area, regional backward areas, backward regions where regional imbalances are there. Suppose they are not able to get appropriate benefit of the industries, and manufacturing when takes place, it helps them a lot. Hopefully you have understood that our fifth point is export of manufactured goods, that expands our foreign trade and foreign investment. In this way we take this in the form of this one in investment goods. It increase the production of this one manufacturing sector in our economy. In this way, and then when we talk about agriculture and industry, it is said that agriculture and industries go hand in hand. We know from our daily life also that whatsoever production is done in industry, that is with the help of machinery, and whole machinery is produced in the field of manufacturing in the industry. And without industry we cannot grow in our that sector agriculture, and without agriculture industry cannot grow, because whatsoever production is there, pvc pipes, tubes, motor, electrical goods, that are used in basically for the agricultural production. If these things are not used in agricultural production, then what is the use of those things? In this way, it is easy to say that industry and agriculture go hand in hand, कि दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर निर्भर हैं. तो many industries like sugar, textile depend on agriculture products. For example, cotton is the raw material. In other way, the same time many industrial products like fertilizer, irrigation, PVC pipes, tractor, harvester, threshers, all these come from the industry. In this way, we can say industry and agriculture go side by side. And my next topic is that is what is the share of industry in GDP. I have tried to show one picture here also, one picture related to our GDP. Nowadays, it is getting very decline. It is getting very decline, and due to this covid and other some factors, political people say anything, but overall it is getting decline, and ultimately it would be a great loss to both the sectors of the economy, that is agriculture sector as well as industrial sector. And when we talk about how we can improve that our agricultural as well as industrial production or share in GDP. Very first point is that our industry needs to be more efficient and competitive. I mean to say whatsoever machinery like thread, cotton, sugar mills, that needs to be somewhat upgraded. Self-sufficiency alone is not enough. I mean to say if we say that we are self-sufficient, it is not enough. We have to take upgradation and up-to-date programs, machinery, technology, labor, skilled labor accordingly, so that we can compete at international level. And last point is that manufacturing of goods must be of good quality so that we can compete into our manufacturing goods in the industry, in the we can say world industry. In this way we have studied about this one different ways of competitiveness, how we can increase the production of agriculture and this sector, and the manufacturing takes place agriculture and this hand in hand. And in this way, not only this much sufficient, we have to take some more steps regarding that. Yes, now we are going to study about next topic, that is share of GDP. So our next topic is regarding your share of agriculture as well as industry in GDP. That is very important topic. And in the previous chapter we have studied about your share in agriculture, and now we'll talk about study about your share of agriculture in GDP. GDP, you know that it is the sum of total production in all the sectors of the economy, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. And when we talk about GDP of last 20 years, the share of manufacturing sector has stayed at only 17% of GDP out of the total 27 of industry. Please take care that 27% share of industry in the GDP, and alone manufacturing is taking 17%. This is much lower in the competition to some of East Asian economies where it is about 25 to 35%. And mind that India is also one of the East Asian economies of the world, and it is the member of SAARC and Asian institutions, organizations whatsoever set up by the Asian countries. Then the desired growth rate of the next decade is, that is 12%, which has been around only. Presently, we have 7% only. And in my, we have seen that what is to be done to make our countries in industry or manufacturing better. These three steps I have told you earlier that may helpful in the increment in the share of GDP in industrial sector, and to make it more possible, more development, Indian government has taken this step and set up one NMCC. NMCC, its major objective to develop the sector of manufacturing industries to take it up to the desired growth rate. And in this way, whatsoever is the desired growth rate, that should be maintained by all the economies, by all the sectors, all type of industries. Here I would like to tell you about one more type of industry, that is agglomeration economies. Agglomeration economies are many industries make use of advantages offered by the urban center known as agglomeration economies. Mean to say simultaneously there are different type of economies, there are different type of industries set up simultaneously and take the advantage of these things, and very much relationship of the industries with the city life, metro city life, as well as the towns. And here I would like to discuss this point also somewhat, that what is the relationship between industries and the cities. Industrialization, urbanization go hand in hand. We see that when there is industrialization, people have to move from one place to another place in search of jobs, and their lifestyle gets changes, and that also helps and further creates the urbanization. And after an industrial activity starts, urbanization follows. Both go hand in hand. Sometimes they are located in near or the city, then city gets benefit for it. Cities provide markets and services such as banking, insurance, transport, labor, etc. to the industry, because we know that the wholesale industry depend upon all these factors. If this banking, insurance, transport, labor, skilled labor, availability of water, all these things are available, only then industry can grow there. Many industries make use of the advantage of the offered by the urban centers, that I told you, agglomeration of economies. In such type of economies are very useful at international level competition, and accordingly it works for the competition, and there is a relationship between the cities and the industry as well as the manufacturing. In this way, till now we have studied about share of industry in GDP, how our GDP can be increased, and what is the stiff competition are there international levels that can be increased, how agriculture and industry go hand in hand, and what are the importance, what are the significant uses of manufacturing in the economy, and very first that what is manufacturing and how is it useful for the country. And in this way, in next last portion, that is we'll study about our classification of the industry in my next video. Bye students.